Okay guys, let's hide our seaming. Okay, the end of our seaming here. I hope you can see. I hope you can see. Okay, I just has one. It become easier now because I only have one tail, except for the straps I have two. So yeah, long tail with one needle, which will be way easier than the other one. So again, I'm gonna go in a zigzag motion. Okay, here we go. So one, okay, two. Again, there's no there's no order in that. Okay, just like go like this. That's enough. Just to go and grab my needle. Okay, here we go, and grab it. Make sure it's not tight, and then go back. I'm gonna skip the first part and then go back to the starting point. Okay, just like this. Okay, and grab the yarn. Make sure it's not tight before cutting the yarn, and I finished this one. It's finished. Just like, yeah. Again, cut the yarn as close as the work. Finish this one. Okay, let's finish the other one. Okay, which is this one right here. Okay, long tail. That's perfect. Of course, you can skip this part if you know how to finish your work. But I just wanted to show you, especially if you're a beginner, how to hide all of these tails inside your work. Okay, here we go. Then I'm gonna go back, skip part, and go do the same thing. Here we go. Here we go. Yippee! That's bad. Okay, stop here. I have it here. Okay, I can finish this small part with the crochet hook. Really, so. Okay, wrap it around and grab it through all the loops, and here we go. See this? It's hidden. And now time to cut the yarn. Alright, so now, yeah, there's a small part here. So I finished this one. Yeah, I have another one here. That is a really big tail. That's perfect for me. So again, do the same thing. Sometimes the finishing take more time, like doing the connecting, which is okay. That's normal, okay? So here we go. Okay, here we go. Just go through this. Just make another one. And then I'm gonna go back, skip a part, and just go back. Make sure it's not tight. Okay. just the last thing. Just take it from here, and here we go. Now cut the yarn. Do it again. Okay, you take another look. So only this side left before doing the straps, which will be the last thing to do. So I have this one here. Okay, it's easier to turn around. When you go up, that's easier. Okay. Okay. You can go one by one if you want. It's okay. Just like this. Yeah. It takes a little bit of time, but it's easier. It's just like to go through. Just like this. I have a nice amount, and then I'm gonna go back. Yeah, that was that big one. Here we go. Finished. Okay, and cut the yarn. Actually, going one by one is way neater in the finishing, but this will be the like inside part. Doesn't matter, but actually it looks neater. So going by one, it's a little bit time consuming, but it looks neater when you finish. Yeah, so now let's go to the straps in the next section. I don't want to make it very long, so next we're gonna go to the straps to finish it.